that, no, I'm gonna have to edit that part out. All right. Hey, what's up, guys, and welcome back to my channel. I'm making a quick video on how to make a free intro video for your YouTube channel or Twitch or whatever, really, your business. I don't know. So I'm using this website I found called Panzoid, and it can be a little intimidating at first, but I'm gonna show you the easy way about it. I actually found, so like when you go to the website, these are called creations, and they just to give you an example, you click into it and they have different, this is what your video would look like, this kind of, so for this one we're going to click into that. Okay, so this is the intimidating part. It's really cool though, right? But over here there's a bunch of different options, your basic settings. You can change the frame rate to 60 probably, that's a good idea. The video resolution, I already have it 1080p. I guess you do I guess you do 4K if you wanted to, or a lower quality. Like this is the objects part, and this is where you would edit these letters. So you could say, hey everyone, let's copy that. We're gonna, everywhere it said intro, we're gonna put that text. Alright, that should be it. And then all this other stuff, I haven't even messed with it. If you want to mess around with it, that's on you guys. But you can simply change the text like that, and then you just go over here to the download, and you can pick what you'd like. For right now, I'm just going to do balanced because it seems to be the quickest and still give a pretty good quality. I might fast forward if I need to. I don't think I will. It's only got a minute, so we'll see what's going on. But yeah, that only took me, I don't think this whole video will be more than 5 minutes. But I'm gonna go and find another one that I'm used for my channel, which will be for my intros. Gonna fast forward here. Fast forwarding. Alright, there you have it. It is done. Now I'm going to download the video, and it should just start downloading here in just a second. Alright, here's the video. Alright, so the text was a little too large. Again, that's something that you can fix in the editor. For right now, I'm going to go show you the one I found that I liked. Where's the search box? No. There we go. This is the one somewhere right there. This one. So I'm gonna go edit this one real quick. Show you guys mine. So we're gonna change the word sample to air diesel. And then, is it this one? We're gonna say sub now. And just in case you guys are wondering, you can hit enter or you can like click outside the box. And we will say free giveaways. Alright. I'm going to render this unbalanced again, and I will do the magic of editing and fast forward through this for you guys. Although this one's being quicker. Alright, it is done. Going to download it again. This is another video. It hasn't even been 5-10 minutes. Here it is. And again, you can put music and sound and everything behind it when you're throwing it into like a video editor, but all I did was edit some text and I now have an intro video for my channel. If this video helped you guys out, hit that thumbs up button. I really appreciate it. Leave a comment if you have any questions or if you know of other websites that are similar to this that are free. Again, I'm going for free here. Plenty of paid programs that you can use. But again, I'm budget friendly. Anyone can use this. It's, simple enough. Hopes it helps. Thanks.